So, good morning. Today is February 18, our third day. Kagabi hindi na ako nakapag-close ng vlog because slow but again. So, ayan, dito tayo sa hotel. Mag-breakfast muna kami. Kakagising lang. Then, pauwi kami ng Goa later in the afternoon. Which spot? Which spot? Which spot?
Tatlo dun, no?
Mga maliliit. Okay, sige, doon kayo, kids.
Sige, let's do the foods. Stick right there. Morning po. Dilis. Yan. Gulay. See, there. Handmade. Homemade. Homemade ham. Bread. Coffee. Where's the coffee? Right there. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Which bread you like?
You want bread? Or you want, there's, more on
Fruits.
the other side, Bob. There's fruit.
Cereals?
Gusto niya daw siya.
Sige na. I think I'll just gonna get coffee, a hot chocolate first. Okay, let's see it first. So, yan. Nakakuha na kami ng mga pagkain. And si Stevie only eat. What did you eat? Cereal! Yan sila. Ate kumukuha pa ng pagkain. And let's eat, guys. Alright.
Let's go.
Okay. After that, done.
Before and after.
Before and after, busog na. You know, busog na kami. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
It's nothing. Nagpakita ka sa vulkan. Sabi na naman. Are you doing that to you?
Massage.
Yes.
Chill and grill.
Statue ko yan eh. Statue ko yan eh. Peking duck.
I want to go back to Mark. Here, wait a minute, Bob. Hey, Bob, can you hold this? Right here.
You know what? Video.
Third day, we're still here at the hotel, the Oriental. So swimming muna sila bago kami mag-check out kasi pauwi na kami sa beach, sa bahay, sa hometown namin. So yan si Tito Reggie swimming, si Stevie nasa comfort room with Tita Monica, and we're here pahinga-hinga. Nakatapos pa lang namin kumain. Sisi, you go swim. And yan si Tita Monica and Stevie Boy.
Hi there. Mom's not answering your phone.
Okay, we're going back to the room because we're done. Thank you. So ready na at alis na kami. Yan. Uwi na. Uwi na kami dito sa... Kung nilang imot ng babata, pandor ko na sa auto. Yeah, igdahan na yan sa rong anong malika. So, Yan, dito kami sa Boulevard. Nag-take lang sila kuya ng pictures.
Legazpi.
Legazpi and the sign of Legazpi. So, kuha lang kami ng pictures. Then, going home, riding back.
Maalo, no?
Mamahalan ngayon.
Say waves.
Yeah. Come on, Tibi. Hold Baba. Hold your daddy. Picture tayo dyan. Yan. Hop. Yan lang kami. Okay, wala kami na picture dyan. Yeah. Yun. Pag-take a picture kami dito kay Mama Mary. Dito muna kami sa mall. Nag-grocery muna kami bago kami dumiretso sa bahay sa Nabwa. Yan. Dito kami sa Pulanggi. Sama daw sa akin. Idle ko muna yung sasakyan. Kasunod ako.
Papantayan?
Hindi, idle ko lang muna for a couple of minutes. Idle.
Ay, there.
See you later. Alright, we're here in the happiness part. Dito we're just looking for the happiness. Right there. And Tita Monica's buying some things for daily use. Wala daw.
Panghilot. Wrap. Ano na naman? Right. Try ko. Dali mo talaga. Wala na.
Oh no, it's brand out. It's black out. Blackout, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Daddy!
Where's Daddy, Stevie?
Where's Daddy? Bobby! Bobby. Tara!
Ayun.
Happy New Year!
Number 1, mojitos. So yan lang yung nabili kasi yung ibang hinahanap namin wala. It's not available, that's why that's the only thing they got.
Ate, saan kayo nag-ano ng restaurant? All the way there? Yeah. Turn right.
Alright, looking for your milk later. I'll give it to you.
Want this? Want that?
So yan, nakapag pamalay na kami. Punta na kami sa bahay. Okay.
Nakapag-cereals ka naman kanina.
Nice. Hold it.
Woohoo!
Yan. Dito na kami sa Kamsur, sa Katagal-Tagalan. Galing kami ng Sorsogon at Albay for 2 days. Tapos dito na kami sa Kamsur. Alright. Yan. So dito na kami sa bahay. Kararating lang namin. Yan, si Papa, si Mama. So guys, kumakain. Yan. Sa likod na.
Mama, meron din ako sa yung eco bag. Eco bag.
Eco bag.
Hanapon man. Si Stevie ang mapagirumdog.
Aha, si Stevie.
Pero may yung tigahanap for smile
Buksan ko
milk.
na daw lugod ni para magsangaw muna.
Kasi na ano niya, na-miss niya na yung cereal tsaka milk.
Pirang Aldo na Filipino food. Let's go. Let's sit there. Tingnan nga natin kung anong ni-ready ni Papa at ni Mama.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Siyempre.
Wow.
Picture natin.
Ala ka nakabagsa. Yung yaing ni
Traders Joe.
Tatay Nino.
Salamat.
Fish alive. You wanna eat fish alive? Okay, let's eat. Eat. Eat.
Fish alive. Fish alive. Titikman natin.
Ay! Tapos na kami kumain.
Full na.
Full na. Where's the banana ay? Biri? Ay nanay?
Ay,
Direct sa bano. Nabusog pala.
baka na lang.
Sabi niya, oh yeah. Ano tayo?
Naubos ko pala.
Ayan na.
Hindi ko na. Hindi ko nahilo.
Matry nga tong Del Monte.
How about me? No.
Oh, you don't like nanay? Ate didn't brush her teeth yet. Ate didn't brush her teeth yet. Oh no.
Gigilon. Paano sa'yo mo gigilon?
Ha?
Gigilon.
Oy! Baby!
So yun. Aalis na kami.
Sigurado.
Thank you, Tay.
You're welcome. Tapos nang mag-lunch. So pandarin muna natin sa pauwi na kami ng Gawas TV. So yan, dito kami sa Bulastugan. Kailang we just take out the Bulastog from there kasi mahaba pa yung biyahe namin pauwi. So we're gonna eat that when we arrive at home. Ang dami pila. Okay, dito kami kay Mama Nang. Ha? Diba ito? Order? Okay. Come on. Yan ang menu. Mama Nang.
Serving time, 20 to 25 minutes. For dining, 3 minutes.
Pitit.
Pitit. Halo, halo.
Kala kong late.
Pitit, malaki palang pitit.
How about this TV and CC? You don't have? You don't like?
Busog na.
Yan o. Pitit. Halo, halo. Sa Mama Nang. You know, ubos. Okay. So yun, pauwi na kami. Saan ba sila? Kung nakikita yun, no? Ayun sila. Nakikita eh. Okay. See you later. Okay.
Ayan.
Lapit na kami. Yeah.
Ayan.
Yep, that's
Yes,
it.
Nasa daw na sila.
That's it.
Ano? May bago na.
Katabi.
May neighbors na sila.
Oh yeah. Tita niya sa
Uy, oh, may ano oh. May alaga pala si ate andun oh.
steak.
May alagang steak. My sister. My sister's house.
That's your
Nangate, no?
another.
See my
Oh?
sister.
Ano yun? Nangati?
Mm-hmm.
Mababa pa kita tayo.
Allergy? Kagat? Oh, allergy.
Allergy. May kumakagat sa akin.
You gotta go down say hi to
Baka yung bag.
Bagsan.
Mawawala rin yan.
So, dito na kami kila Tita Ani. Siyempre, ma'am. Hello, te. Sis Kuya Errol.
Yoso, born again.
Ah, meron na palang simbahan dyan. Okay, dito na kami kila Tita Ani. Baba po na kami ng mga gamit namin.
tulungan mo nga siya, Roy.
Dito na kami kila Tita Ani. Haha.
Sakto yung ano yung ikarnat, holiday.
Wow, naka-ready na ang dinner.
Masabi na si MD.
Tita Nanette. Tito Albert. Is Stevie Wonder.
Stevie,
I miss
did you meet Ate Ella
Yeah.
and Ate Yana?
No, he didn't meet she didn't meet Atayana.
Ate Yana, why? And Ate Yana. Yun naman si Buti. Buri. May bupis pa. Adobo, lain, sinabawan, plain rice, then java rice with siomai, and then a surprise cake. Welcome to the family, Brown family. Another cake, 50. Yeah. Uy, more corn. Yeah. Yummy. Oops. Wow. Looks like weekend, but it's not. May school pa bukas. Kamu lang? Come on, Steve.
Uy, kain.
Stevie, you want blast dog? You want blast dog?
Ang bulas to. Wow.
What do you want? This one more corn? Number one.
You want fried rice? Soup.
No, the thing that's around the front.
Fried rice? You want fried rice?
Tikbo niya! Tikbo! Pa-welcome niya sa ko! Wait!
Kaya pala sabi ni Paid, tao mo na siya, tama siya. Ako mo kay siya ng tao.
Hindi, wala ka tayo korte. Baka panong natin.
Oy! Panoy, nag-ihiman ako!
Ay, natakot ko na. Napasa ka? Ay, hindi.
Nag-ihiman ako no?
Sabi kay ni Paid, tao mo na nga kaya ko kay ate, tama siya na kayo Paid.
Ay, ito pala nag-ihiman.
Come on, hello. Tehan sa tibing.
Parang na nakaabot ka.
Ha?
Kala ko na ikaw makakaabot.
Napangirap niya kami kay Ate Beng.
Ay, hindi. Si Ate Beng makangirap man.
Ayan si Ate Beng.
Nanay ka, dahil mo pagtatandaan.
Sabi ko, te, yaw na ako isa.
Paid. Hey, Paid. Uy! How are you? Ah, who's that? Is that you? Anong awat ko dyan? Mga kasing song. Oh, hindi naman. What are you guys playing? You're playing Minecraft and this one's what? Minecraft as well? Or Roblox? Roblox. Nagluluto si Paid. Nagluluto si Paid. No, kanang vlog Paid. Video Paid.
Tomorrow ay naman si Pagpas.
Hi. Hey, good night. See you next time. See you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Bye, Sissy. We're going home. May see your nails? Let's trim your nails. It's messy? Oh no, it's long. We should trim your nails. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Ang isa yung cellphone ko
Ay, kaya ano na.
Yeah.
Where's my slippers?
Okay.
Buti binigay lang.
Where's your sleeper? Where did you put your sleeper?
I don't know. Ay,